Alright, so right now I'm going to invite you to multiple free ways to get you some cryptocurrencies right now that are present in the whole Coinbase app. So if you don't have a Coinbase app already, here's a free way you can make some money right now. All you have to do is just accept my invite link, which I will put in the link in the description. So I'm going to copy this link, which you can do. You can share it with some friends or post it on Facebook, social media. And for every person that accepts your link and invests or sells $100 or more worth of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, they're going to get $10 each for that. So that's some additional money that you can actually have per person that invests and joins through your link. So you can get 20 easy just from me joining my link in the description and then sharing your own link. You'll get some extra money just for like referring your link. And then right now you can earn some crypto. So there's multiple opportunities. Orchid seems like it's going to be the next one that's going to pop up. Occasionally they give you like extra opportunities to get some extra crypto. So you could get Tezos for $6 worth. DAI, you'll get $6 worth. And then you can get up to $40 worth of EOS, $40 worth of Stellar. And it looks like they're out of the Zcash, but I guess you can get $10 worth in back easy as well. And these are the opportunities. And then at the same time, if you just want to learn about it, you can. But what these are really doing is just teaching you about each individual cryptocurrency. So you just watch a video and literally you're going to get paid for it. So like Tezos, I just finished myself and I just went through it, and yeah, $2 each on this one. It was just 3-minute videos. One of them was maybe like 4 minutes, so it's pretty fast. You answer one question and then you're done. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to get some free crypto, that's one way you can do it. If you would like an additional way to actually get some money out, like for stocks, if you don't have a Robinhood account already, what you can do is also click the link in the description for Robinhood, and you will get a free stock. It can be up to $500 worth of stock, and it's free just for signing up. There's no extra conditions. All you have to do is join, and there's going to be one for Webull as well, so you can get free stock just for joining. And then there's multiple additional ways that you could actually get some free stocks just from Webull. So I'm going to put those links in the description. And that's just some free opportunities to actually make some extra cash and get some extra investments into your portfolio. And you can just do whatever you want with them. You can keep them or you can invest them towards another cryptocurrency. It's totally up to you. But that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to click the link not click the link, but feel free to feel free to comment if you have any questions. And yes, and feel free to subscribe.